Assalamualaikum. I'm Hairumiza binti Ahmad. I'm doing a presentation for University Technology Mara. The title is Project Management Practice and its Effect on Project Success in Malaysia Construction Industry. So lecturer name is our Madam Nur Ayuni binti Rusli. Okay, first I start with definition. The definition of project management is project management is primarily focusing on planning, managing and organizing the available resources or the efficiently guide the project team through all phases and execute the project successfully. The construction industry provides the basic living condition for the sustainability and development to cope with population, pressure on land and growing economic activity. Construction projects are in increasing demand in many countries, and also project and initiatives are implemented to ensure sustainable growth of nation economy and to create extensive linkage within the economy. And efficient project manager practice need to be adopted from the planning stage to end to implement this project successfully and to meet the functional aim of the project within their service time. Okay, first we have to do the CSF or call it identify critical success factor to improve the success rate of projects, since more organizations are expected to manage multiple projects in order to achieve competitive. A. Clear project management objective, which is got 5 steps. Step 1, to explain the project plan to key stakeholders and discuss key components. Step 2, define roles and responsibility. Step 3, develop a scope statement. Step 4, to develop the project baseline. And step 5, create baseline management plans. B, top management support. To get adequate resources, approve unique project needs, get cooperation from other parts of the organization, and provide support as a mentor and coach to project managers. C. Information or effective communication. Information is a process for identifying all the information the project stakeholder need to make informed decision. Effective, having a firm grasp on the scope, budget, resources, personnel and timeline dedicated to a project. Various types of communication may be involved in the overall planning and execution of the final project and can include verbal, written, electronic and face-to-face interaction by ensuring key players are aligned on project goal. D. Client involvement. In improving project plans, requesting changes, raising issue and risk, approving milestone, releasing payment and accepting or declining the final deliverables of the project. E. Competency of project team. The emotional, managerial, the intellectual competencies of team members can contribute to the development of project management innovation. F. Authority of the project, manager or leader. The right of the project manager to act or to direct the action of others in the attainment of the proper objective. The lead role in planning, executing, monitoring, controlling and closing projects, and accountable for the entire project scope, project team, resources and the success or failure of the project. G is a realistic cost and time estimate. To avoid project delay and project must completed within the time frame given. Adequate project control process for gathering and analyzing project data to keep costs and schedule on track and to initiating, planning, monitoring and controlling, communicating and closing out project costs and schedule. Problem solving abilities. This because to encourage team members to bring their concern forward, raise the issue of possible problem at each project meeting, to explain to team member how important it is to bring any problem forward and encourage them to offer solution as well. Often, project manager are known for not wanting to hear about a problem. J is a project performance and quality, monitoring the project metric identified in the quality planning phase to ensure those metrics are performing at a satisfactory level. K, adequate resources to carry out the project task, which is people, equipment, facilities, funding, or anything else that require for the completion of a project activity. I, effective planning, the correct action to achieve the organization goal in competitive way. M, to monitor performance and feedback, determine the form and nature of corrective action necessary to achieve goals, monitor by performance indicator. Powerful tool that should be used to the project manager advantage in order to deliver a successful project. And project mission and goals to complete and to achieve the target goals in effective way. Adequacy of adequacy of contingency plan. Always have a few backup plan in case the plan earlier having a problem. P, customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction is part of our project quality management and ensure that policies, objective and responsibility of the project satisfy all stakeholders involved. Q, well laid out specification. Ensure that every solution to be designed and implemented directly. R, effective selection or use of technology. Grow through better collaboration and communication. Grow through better scheduling and grow through better budgeting. Okay, my conclusion here is my conclusion here to prevent lead to the disruptive change in their business. Project manager tool and technique should be applied gradually but not drastic way. Different project manager tools and technique available for appropriate choice at the early stage to encourage project manager to get training or courses should be conducted in higher education institution to increase the knowledge of practitioner about the industry. Identify critical success factors to improve the success rate of project since more organizations are expected to manage multiple projects in order to achieve competitive advantages. Project manager must developing a more comprehensive framework. So that's all from me. Thank you very much for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.